Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to explore an important component of computer hardware that often goes unnoticed, but plays a major role in enhancing your computer's performance: the computer extension card. By the end of this video, you will have a deep understanding of what an extension card is, how it works, and why it is essential for modern computing. A computer extension card, sometimes called an expansion card or add-on card, is a hardware component that can be inserted into an expansion slot on a computer's motherboard. These cards are designed to add or improve the capabilities of a computer system. For example, if your computer lacks advanced graphics capabilities, you can install a graphics card. If you need better sound output, you can insert a sound card. Each extension card serves a particular purpose and connects directly to the motherboard through standard interfaces like PCI, PCIe, or AGP. The concept of extension cards began during the early days of personal computing, when computers were designed to be modular and easily upgradable. This modularity allowed users to tailor their systems according to their needs. Instead of buying an entirely new computer, users could simply upgrade or add an extension card. Today, that principle still applies, even though many modern motherboards include built-in features that used to require extension cards. Extension cards can be divided into several types, depending on their function. Graphics cards, sound cards, network interface cards, and storage controller cards are the most common. Each of these cards performs a specific role. For example, a graphics card enhances visual rendering for gaming, video editing, and 3D modeling. A network interface card provides a computer with a network connection, allowing it to connect to the internet or other computers. A sound card improves the quality of audio playback and recording, while a storage controller card manages data flow between the computer and its storage devices. Before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, you help this channel grow and encourage me to make more educational videos like this one. Also, make sure you like, share, and comment on this video to let me know your thoughts about computer extension cards or any computer topic you would like me to cover next. And do not forget to turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video, where I will continue to teach you more exciting things about computers and technology. Now, let us go deeper into how these extension cards actually function. When installed, an extension card communicates directly with the CPU and memory through the system bus. It uses the expansion slot's electrical and data interfaces to exchange information with other components of the system. This means that when you insert a graphics card, for example, it offloads visual processing from the CPU to the GPU, making your computer faster and more efficient in handling graphics-heavy tasks. Another important aspect of extension cards is their installation process. While most modern computers use plug-and-play technology, which automatically detects new hardware, users still need to ensure compatibility. The extension card must fit the slot type on the motherboard, and the system must have enough power and cooling to support it. Once installed, drivers are usually required to allow the operating system to communicate properly with the hardware. Extension cards can also play a vital role in troubleshooting and system upgrades. Technicians often use diagnostic cards to test motherboards and identify hardware issues. Meanwhile, IT professionals may add RAID controller cards to manage multiple hard drives for increased storage performance and redundancy. These cards allow systems to perform more efficiently, securely, and reliably. Modern developments in computing have led to the rise of compact and integrated systems like laptops and tablets, where traditional extension cards are less common. However, desktop computers, workstations, and servers still rely heavily on these cards for customization and high performance. Gamers, engineers, video editors, and programmers often use computers equipped with multiple extension cards to meet demanding workloads. Interestingly, external versions of these cards are now available. For example, external GPUs can be connected to laptops via Thunderbolt ports, offering the same power as internal extension cards without the need to open the computer case. This innovation shows that while technology continues to evolve, the principle behind extension cards remains as relevant as ever. If you are building or upgrading a computer, understanding how to select the right extension card is crucial. You need to consider compatibility, power requirements, performance specifications, and even future expansion possibilities. This ensures your system operates smoothly and efficiently, maximizing your investment in hardware upgrades. In conclusion, computer extension cards are an essential part of computer architecture. They enhance performance, add new features, and allow for flexibility in upgrading systems without replacing entire machines. Whether you are a gamer, a content creator, or a casual user, knowing about these components helps you make smarter decisions about how to improve your computer's performance. Please, if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, remember to like, share, and comment on this video so that more people can learn about computer hardware and technology. Finally, do not forget to turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video, and thank you very much for watching.